Good morning, guys. Today is on 2nd of April 2026. A very beautiful morning. So, what we are looking at today is a recap of yesterday's analysis. And this is what we had yesterday. We were looking for buys above here, potential buys above. Just a minute. Let me pick this call. We were looking for buys above here. And remember, I said if I see a candle close above this level here, I would be ready to take a trade here, a buy. I would set a buy limit here, stop loss just below here, push the market to all the way here. But this is what happened. I missed my entry here because this market didn't retest this break. But I know some good friends of mine who got this trade from here. This is what they did after this candle closed, the 30 minutes candle closed bullish, switched to M15 and had their entry here. Push the market, TP1, TP2, TP3. They made some good back. Myself, actually caught the buy, but a bit late. I caught the buy here. This was during the New York session. Once I had the candle closure above the London high, I set my buy limit here. Stop loss just below the candle that closed above the London high, and my first target was here, which got hit and I got out. So for the sales, don't let that confuse you. Just a by the way, for the sales, we didn't get any sales yesterday. This happened today morning, and this was actually after there was a speech today which Trump gave, saying the war is de-escalated, something like that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. But that's what caused this candle you're seeing here. This big push downwards, then another push downwards at what time? At 8:30. Wow, that was trended. That was interesting. You would have caught this push down here. Okay. So we are going to remove everything. Let's look at the news today first. What do we have today? Yes, this is what caused. You see that move? Those two candles, those two big candles here. These candles we're talking about here. This candle here. This one here. It's at 4 a.m. Immediately Trump started speaking. Market shot down, and followed by this 8:30 a.m. market shot down. So that's what I always say. Whenever there are high impact news, you either stay out of the market, or if you're a pro, maybe you can trade you can trade the news, but with proper risk management. So today, this is what we have on the news. Trump was speaking today, and this is what he had to say. U.S. operations in Iran have concluded successfully. U.S. forces have crippled Iran's military to an extraordinary degree. You see, so these two big candles, they're signaling the escalation in the Iran war, in the war against Iran. There. So whoever was awake at that time, I'm sure you caught a very good move. Today, what else are you looking at? There is 3:30 p.m. We have unemployment claims. So let's dig into the charts real quick. We're going to remove everything here. start from monthly. On monthly, our monthly resistance is still there. I like to change the colors so it's clear. Resistance is there, support still here. Remember I said this is what the market did. The market came up, down, then up, and broke that structure there. So the lowest it came, I would say this would be my support here. Honestly, this is my support. Yeah, because the market came up, then came down, then broke structure up. This is my support here for the monthly. For the weekly, we have resistance there, resistance there, support here. What's happening to this trading view today? Yeah, the support is there. Weekly, we go to the daily. On daily, we have our, remember, we had this support here yesterday because of this break of structure here. So our support is still there. Our resistance, market came up. Today it began, then it's closed. Our resistance, let's have our resistance still there. On the daily, 4 hours. 4 hours, we had our support here. We had our support there. Our resistance, the highest point here the market came. So that's our resistance for the 4 hours. We go down to 1 hour. On 1 hour, our resistance is allow me to move that one there. Our resistance is there. Our support, I'd like to pick a support before this candle. So our support before this candle happened, our support was here. This is where we had our support before the 8 a.m. candle, right? Yeah, before this big move down. I'll explain why I'm doing that. For 30 minutes, we had a resistance here, as you can see. 30 minutes, we had a resistance there. And our support was here. Now you see why I did that. Need to move this. There's something happening with my trading view today. I don't know what. So 30 minutes, I'll move this support here. Yeah, you see here. Yeah. And use this week. Yeah. So now we are looking for our entries here. We are framing our entries here. What's happening? What's happening today? Yeah. And I move this one here. I'll don't wanna pick a buy above here. I don't know, is it just me or is this trading view today misbehaving? So this is where I would wanna pick a buy. I would wanna pick a sell here, push it to this level here. Wait. So if I pick a buy here, see the candle closed here. So you can pick a buy here. I can pick a sell, push it to this level here. That would be my take profit one. Take profit one, two, three, four, 5, 6. Yes. For the buys, I would pick a buy here, push it all the way to take profit one. But with the de-escalation in the war, a buy is more unlikely. But with gold, you can never predict. That's why I always say, trade what you see, not what you think. So if you're looking for buys, this is where I'd be looking for buys from. Buys from here, long position, from here, stop loss just below, just a few pips below the resistance here, and push it all the way here. I don't want to see it first close above this level here before I can push it any further, say to that point, the level there. Yes, I would push it all the way there. That's if the market decides to go up for whatever reason. For the sells, I'll pick my sell here, push it all the way down. Yeah, stop loss just above this candle that closed below. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to set a sell limit here, my stop loss above this candle here that closed below a level, and take the market down there. Let me see on 4 hours what you have. First, I would want to see the market close below here. If it closes below this one, I'll be willing to push it to this level. this level and this level. Yeah, that's if I get a good bearish candle closing below this level here. That's the farthest I would want to push the market today. With the de-escalation in the war, the market could come back, could come down even to these levels. Yeah, with gold, anything is possible. For the buys, yeah, that's the farthest I'd want to see to push it today, if at all I get any buys. So I didn't want this video to be long, don't want it to get bored. So let me just mark these levels for you real quick. Potential buys above, buys above, potential sells below. TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4. But remember what I've said? First, I'd want to see a candle close, body closure below this level. If at all, I'm going to push it down to this level. So remember to risk manage your trades well. Trade what you see, not what you think. The market does not care about your emotions or your sentiments. This is an overkill, I know. But with the de-escalation in the war, gold can do wonders. Gold can come up to this level here. I'm saying it can. That's what I think. And I'm telling you, don't trade what you think, trade what you say. For the buys, that would be our TP1 and push it to TP2. If at all you get the volumes to push the market up. So there, this is what we are looking at today. This is what we are looking at today for gold. I already have set my, let me set my buy limit here. And I know it's going to get hit. Take the market down to this level first. Then if it closes below this level, take it down further to this level. So happy hunting, guys. See you tomorrow. We'll analyze, we'll recap on this trade tomorrow. See where we got our entries. So see you guys.